Hello friends and my dear students, as you can see in the subject of material science and engineering, we have studied about basic crystal structure. Now we came to the crystal defects, which are also known as structural imperfection, or you can say the deviation from true crystallinity. Okay, so this we are going to discuss here today. This is the third semester syllabus of BTech Mechanical Engineering in RTU curriculum. Okay, material science and engineering. So what do you understand by this structural imperfection or the defect in crystal structure is the deviation from true crystallinity, means the deviation from these three parameters, which are three-dimensional, long range and periodicity. Okay, so if any crystal is going to be deviated from these three parameters, so that will create some kind of structural imperfection or crystal defect. Now there are these few kinds of crystal defect, as you can see in the picture. That first is your point defect. Note it down. In every university exam, this question will be there in your exam of material science and engineering. That what do you understand by the crystal defect, or enumerate specific crystal defect they may ask, or they may give you the freedom that you can write few either from point defect or line defect, surface defect or volume defect. So first is your point defect, which are further categorized into vacancies, impurities. Impurities of two types: substitutional impurity, interstitial impurities. We will discuss each one in detail in upcoming time, but this session is totally devoted about the classification of crystal defects. Now this is self interstitiality. Okay, then Frankel defect and Schottky defect, which are very popular, known as point crystal defect. Okay, and in most of the competitive exam they are going to ask about these defects. Okay, what are the differences between Frankel defect and Schottky defect? Okay, now came to the line defect, which is another classification of, or another parameter, or you can say another classification of crystal defect. In this line defect there are two defects come in the picture, come in this series, as dislocation. Another is screw dislocation. Okay, so these are two line defect. Now surface defects come in the picture. So which surface defects are further classified into low angle tilt boundary, low angle twist boundary, grain boundaries and stacking fault. So grain boundaries you have to learn very carefully, because this is the basic of your classification of the main primary crystal defect in the category of surface defect. Stacking fault we will discuss, and the last one is volume defect, which is also called as casting defect. Okay, process induced defect means this is due to the manufacturing process defect. Okay, because of the some difference in the process parameter of the defect casting. Okay, so that is volume defect. So we have studied all classification of structural imperfection, or you can say crystal defect, which are point defect, line defect, surface defects and volume defect. We will go in detail of this one by one. Okay, so how we can understand line defect or point defect, line defect, as well as the surface defect and volume defect. So till that time, stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel for more such content of engineering in different branches of domains of engineering, like mechanical, electrical, civil and computer science engineering. Thank you so much for your presence hearing. We will come with another content of this material science engineering topic in upcoming time. So till that time, stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel. Thank you so much.